Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I quickly made this candy cane wreath. So we are making a candy cane wreath today on this 30-inch wide pine wreath. Just make sure before you put any decoration on it, fluff all the pine up and make it fuller. So I just put a bow right in the middle. You can put it up there or you can put it down here, it doesn't matter. What I like to do, I like to put the bow up there. It's more traditional look. And then if you can find like candy cane, this is called a spray. If you can get a decorative spray like this, all you need just two of them, and that goes to each side of the wreath. See the wire over there? All you have to do is tighten it by using the pine that's on the wreath. And I would like to secure it by tightening another one in the middle of that spray. See that? So same thing. You want to tuck it in more closer to the Christmas bowl over here. So this part won't have too much gap, because if you put too far away, it's gonna look like this. Not just weird. So make sure close to the bowl, then everything will look intact. No gap in between. Again, tight it. Or sometimes you want it to be more secure, you can hot glue it. And that way, you know, if it's strong wind, it won't blow it apart. Again, in the middle here, just tie another pine to the spray. So there you go. And you can leave like this, or if you find something else, another decoration, you can put it down here because this is empty. So it just depends on how full you want your wreath to look like. But for me, I like it full. And then I happen to have this. Now I order it. That will go well with this decoration. So it's got string at the back. All you have to do is tie it. Again with the pine, because all the pine is wired inside. And you can make it straight across, or you can have it kind of tilted a little bit. Just play around with it, see how you like that to look. And then I don't want the string to show, so I hide the string at the back here. Again, I'll need to tie this down so this sign won't move. There you go. Merry Christmas. That's the candy cane door wreath looks like. And check my other video that will be uploading later to show you guys how to make a bow like this. Hope you enjoyed today's video.